Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna focus on how to sign in to your Upwork account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type upwork.com and hit on enter right now. Well guys, as you can see, this is the interface of Upwork, and right now we just want to log in. In the nav bar, right next to sign up, here's a button like this, that's login. In case you don't know how to create an account, we have created a video regarding that as well. You can look at that video anytime you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna click on login. Once you're in this page, it's gonna give you a few options, either to log in with Google, Apple, or your mail address. Simply select the one that most suits you. But for now, I'm just gonna enter my email address right here. Well, as you can see, I have entered my email address. Now I'm simply gonna hit on continue. Finally, it's gonna ask for your password. In case you forgot your password, click on this button right here that says forgot password and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Right now I'm just gonna enter my password, and once everything's okay, simply hit on login. That's it guys, that's how you sign in or log in to your Upwork account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.